The door creaked open just a crack, like something breaking we can't take back. Your suitcase waiting by the wall said more than words could ever call. The silence sat between us two, louder than the truth we knew. And in that quiet, cold and deep, I heard your love begin to leave. No thunder, no crashing storm, just a calm that don't feel warm. It's the sound of your love leaving, soft as a heart that's barely beating. No goodbye, no tears to show, just a whisper letting go. Every step you take away echoes more than words could say, and it tears me all apart. The sound of your love leaving my heart. The clock kept ticking on the wall, like it didn't care at all. Your picture hanging slightly bent, like it knew just what this meant. Your perfume fading in the air, a ghost of you still lingering there. And every breath I tried to take felt like more than I could break. I wanted you to turn around, but all I heard was empty sound. It's the sound of your love leaving, a quiet ache I keep believing. No slam doors, no final cry, just a truth we can't deny. Every heartbeat feels the cost of a love already lost, and it tears me all apart. The sound of your love leaving my heart. Maybe love don't always end with shattered glass we try to mend. Maybe it just fades away like a song that couldn't stay. And maybe this is how it goes, a silent hurt that no one knows. The room still holds your fading trace, but not the warmth, not your embrace. The night creeps in through broken light and turns our world to black and white. I sit alone where we once stood, trying to feel what once felt good. It's the sound of your love leaving, a quiet truth I'm still receiving. No loud goodbye, no bitter end, just a loss I can't defend. Even when the night is gone, that sound will linger on and on, a lonely echo in my heart. The moment we fell apart, the door is closed, the silence stays, and somewhere far your memory fades. But in the quiet I still believe I can hear your love